Hello guys and welcome to another episode by BNB Gaming. And today we are doing a happy time with Taco. Yes, you mister. You are always laying in bed. I know you just got there a second ago, but you need to get out because we're gonna have a party time with you.
He's just like, Daddy's with Taco.
He's just like, I know it's coming. It's bad. Okay, so we're gonna put this right here. Okay, so we're gonna have Taco with us today. This is pretty much gonna be Taco, and yeah, today we are going to meet Taco. I know you've met him a few times before, but we're gonna completely meet him. So this is Taco, and he's like 48 something years old. So he's almost 49. He's a good man, aren't you, Taco? And today he's gonna teach us how to rap.
And today he's gonna rap with Bunny Taco.
Okay, so Bunny's gonna sit down here in the audience, right there. Are you ready, Taco?
Sit down.
Dun, dun. Before the time of space and before farts were discovered, there was me, Taco the Dog. Hello there. Okay, so today I will be teaching you how to rap. Now, you put your paw right there. You put your paw right there. Don't look at me, boy. Don't look at me. Just don't look at me. Okay, here we go. He's singing. That's what that is. He's singing.
Yeah, it's not growling. It's not growling.
Every dog in the house, we can go get some poodles. Thank you for this time with Taco. He's a good man. Right here.
He's
a good man.
actually, you're gonna
Okay,
see
Taco.
him a lot.
Have a happy talk time. Goodbye. I'm leaving you. Hi, my name's Taco. I'll be in a lot of the vlogs, pretty much every single one, and I'm an old man now, but I'm still doing okay, and I definitely know how to rap. It's true. It's just so
It's
true.
just a gift that Taco knows how to rap.
Be quiet. Taco, look at the camera. If I put bacon on the camera, will you look at it?
Just like,
Yeah, babe.
yeah.
Okay, look back at the camera. There you go. Okay, we gotta go. Yeah. Thank you, Taco. Would you like to say your goodbyes because this is your special episode? Would you like to introduce your friend? He's right here.
Just like,
Well, hello there. I'm Bunny. I'm Taco's friend. He plays with me, and he actually
broke my...
He actually ripped my brains out of my hole right here. It was a bad day. Right, Taco, you ripped his brains out.
He's just like, huh? He's just
What you
like,
just here? Go get him.
Now that Taco's doing that, let's do the interview.
Did you hear something? You gotta go outside. You gotta go outside. Okay, now we got Taco speaking. He's gonna speak to the camera. Do you need to go outside? What else do you have to say? Oh yeah. What else happened? What else happened? Oh dang, that's horrible. Here, talk sooner. Oh dang. Yeah, was it pretty gross? Yeah, I bet it was. What? What? Go. Oh my god. Okay, we'll leave. Yeah, so that was Taco's special episode. And we're gonna leave him to that, trying to get whoever is out there, someone to out there.
Scruffy's house.
Okay, so I guess Scruffy just got a new house. So we're gonna have him turn the camera over to him. Hi, my name's Scruffy, and I'm gonna do a vlog today. We're gonna film. I'm filming my new house. So this is my new house. It's pretty nice. It gets nice electricity bills. It's pretty cheap. So I'm gonna take you inside now.
The door you should be able to get it. Sorry.
It's kind of hard to get into my house because a lot of times it's very hard to get in. Oh yeah, sometimes I have to just completely just tumble into my house.
Yeah.
So just a second, I need to lay down, get situated. So yeah, sometimes I just like prancing like a pony inside.
Okay, now try and go on.
I know, random times with Scruffy. Rainbows, prancing like a pony, gumdrops, and gummy bears.
Okay, so now you
So
should be
toast
able
that.
to fit in your house.
Brennan
We're standing up.
Okay, we fixed it. So yeah, this is my house. It's pretty nice. Doesn't quite have a roof, but yeah. Oh god, there's someone out there. I have to explode. I don't know what just happened there. And we're gonna have to. Is Scruffy all right, Britton? Is he all right?
Are you alright, Scruffy? I think we have to get a new person.
So while Scruffy is kind of getting fixed, how are you doing, Scruffy? Are you all right?
Don't worry, I can make.
So when he gets fixed, it will probably be in the next episode. Yeah, well, just for this episode, we will have, I guess, Bunny do it. Or what? No. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to go down and find Steve because Bunny doesn't want to do it. It kind of sucks that Scruffy's hurt. And what the heck? What are you doing, huh? So I don't know why, but I guess Taco wanted in very badly. Why were you pounding at the door, sir? Okay. Well, Steve just called me. He said he didn't want to, so we're going to leave it up to the three superheroes. This has been Superhero DC Creeper Productions. No.